Guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this awesome brand new addition that we have. This is a 1970 Plymouth Cuda Barracuda 440. Well, it's not actually a 440 car. It's actually originally a 318 AC car, automatic with torque flight. But this thing has been just gone through. It's got your 440. It still has a torque flight, automatic. But these panels, they are just mirror-like. They are beautiful, rust-free. They are nice and straight. You just cannot get that by reproducing. It is literally just done with the highest level of paint quality and bodywork, and that's what this one has. What we're going to do is give you a startup. We're going to go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Jumping right into this 440, this thing is just awesome. It's a big block. It's got your aluminum intake. It's the Torker aluminum intake. Edelbrock carburetor. It's got shorty headers. Thing has got the snorkel. It's got the shaker sticker. This thing is everything that you want in a black Cuda. It is just awesome. You can tell from the fenders and the firewall, it's a high-end build even before the engine was dropped in. It does have a few of your original factory AC components. Does not have the condenser, does not have the evaporator, but does have a lot of the original components that are with it. So you can definitely get it back into AC. The greatest thing about this is the sound of the big block with the Mopars. Let's go ahead and hear it. tell the interior is in absolutely great shape. Body lines, just awesome. Really, really detailed, nice, detailed work that's went into making this black paint. Just really, really good shape. Trunk, again, is in just as good a shape. You see here, metal, that's all metal, no rust. Even the spare tire, all here in the back in the tray. Speakers, really good shape. Fitment, again, it's just really nice and tight. Mirror-like finish. Getting in here to the passenger side. Door panels are in great shape. Carpet's in great shape. Dash is not cracked. Seats are not ripped or torn. Everything matches. Really good shape. Let's go ahead and head in for a test drive. Guys, this is the fun one. This thing runs so good. The panels are so straight on it. And if someone doesn't buy it here pretty soon, it's just going to go into the Classic Car Addict collection just because it's so nice. We'll put some nice logos on it and you'll be seeing it all around. So someone buy this quick before I get in trouble. I love everything about this. I mean, obviously the black on black is just its own thing. That's just awesome. It's got the big block, but it's super, super clean. It drives just amazing, as you'll see here in this drive. It's just great. Everything's really nice quality. It's definitely something that you can drive if you want to. Obviously, it's not a numbers matching. It's not a real 440, so you don't have to worry about the full overall just value depreciating if you drive it, right? But you're gonna have that same value right now just being able to drive it. It's gonna go up because it's just so nice and so clean. So if you're looking for a driver, this is definitely it. Not have to pay over that 6 figures that you're gonna pay for a real 440. Out, drive, you can tell it's got really nice, strong compression with it. It is an absolutely great driver. So if you're looking for a Cuda 440, non-numbers matching, this is one that you'll want. Now, if you're looking for the Hearse shifter, you know, with the pistol grip, obviously this is not the one. You can convert it, but this is not the one directly for you. We do get them in, but this one is not it. This thing drives good. If you're a Mopar guy or gal, this is the one. Thanks for watching.